Imura, imura, imura. See, imura is coming from the word mu, which means to hold, to grab, and ara is body, right? Body, ara. So when you say imu is the act of holding, the act of grabbing, ara, which is body, so the act of holding your body. In that space, in Yoruba, it means to brace yourself together, to be ready. So if I say imura, brace yourself together, to be ready. Also, dressing, like dressing, right? Then the verb of it is mura, mura. So if I want to say, hey, you have to be ready, unilati mura. Then if I want to say, oh, I want to quickly dress up, mufe mura. So mura, to be ready in dressing, mura, to be ready to doing something, is also mura. Muma titi mura lola nitori afe jade. Right, that means I'll be ready on time tomorrow because we want to go out. It can also mean I will dress up on time tomorrow because we want to go out. So it's contextual. So when you use the word mura, you can use it as you want to dress up, or you want to be ready, or to be in time for something to be done. So that's why you use the word murasishe. That means brace up and walk. Brace up and walk. So imura, to be ready, dressing, mura, dress up, or to brace up. Báwo ló ṣe rí ìmúra mi sí? How do you see my dressing? Right, in that space. Right. Oh, you have to dress very well. O ní láti múra dáadáa. See, you have to work hard. O ní láti múra síṣẹ́. That means you have to brace yourself to working hard. Right. Can you use it in sentence? Like two each. Either to be ready or to dress up.